Okay, so this is the next object that I'm making a video for. Now, for this one, we have to sketch on a couple of planes. Again, actually, we're going to sketch on all three planes, top, front, and right. And we have a decision to make. Do we want to start on the top plane? Do we want to start from the front plane or the right plane? And we need to decide which um plane will give us the most information about this object. So now I could start on my top plane so that I can get this overall shape, or I can start on the front plane because this gives us a bit of information as well. And I think what I'll do is I'll start on my front plane first, and then I guess I can extrude a couple of things. Or I can start from the top and then just do this general outline and make everything coincident. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll start from the top and then I'll switch between the planes. That's what I'm going to do for this. All right, so top plane, and let's see. And it's going to be 60 by 70, it looks like. We'll see. And it looks like we need to put in some fillets. That fillet will be a radius of 15. And all of these circles will be the same size. And it does not say how big those circles should be. Um, it says that on the right plane it should be 12. So let me dimension one of them. And we shall see. All right. And we are going to extrude to 7.5. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I am going to put in some chamfer. So it looks like the chamfer should have a height of 1, and it says radius 0.5. So when I put in the chamfer, 45 degrees, you'll see that if I do get the radius, it will be 0.5 because the height will be 1. Okay, and it looks to be correct. So from my front plane, I am going to put in, first let me just grab all of that. And I'm going to put in some reference lines. And I'm making this video per the request of one of my students. So from here to here, I believe that's going to be 29 millimeters. And from here to here, that should be 5 millimeters. So that's going to determine the midpoint of my interior circle or all of my circles. So I do know that I have a circle here and that the diameter looks to be 25. Let's make that 25 and we'll see how it looks. Um, let's see, what else do we need? I'm going to put in another circle. And it says that that radius should be 25, which means the diameter should be 50. Good morning. And I have some 3-point arcs. Before I put that in, I know that I have a line that extends, and that should be tangent. Okay. And let's just do an arc right there. I believe that's where it should be, but let me put it there. And then I'm going to mirror that. In the radius of the arc, it looks like 10.13. We don't like that. Okay. Mm, I don't like the way that looks. So I think between here and here, that should be 2.5 maybe. I don't like the way that looks. Um, okay, let me.